What's up guys, this is Pro Warriors. In this video we will learn how to play any PC games on an Android phone using the Winlator Emulator. Guys, I hope you can see I'm playing GTA 5 on my Android phone with decent FPS and the best graphics quality. You might be thinking I'm kidding, but believe me, it's not a clickbait. I also tried Resident Evil 3, Mafia 2, Far Cry 3 and GTA 4 as well. For your kind information, my device has just an entry-level chipset. Anyway, I can run these games with high definition and the average FPS is 40 to 60. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to guide you how to install the Winlator Emulator, settings and best configuration, control customization, at the last how to manage PC games and install them on the Winlator Emulator. You can say it's a A to Z tutorial. My humble request is that please don't skip the video and follow my instructions carefully. Please like and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell button. Before we get started, please see the minimum system requirements it needs to run on your device. Make sure you have Android 10 or higher, at least 4GB RAM, 8GB RAM is most recommendable, 4GB storage on your Android device for system files. If you have a Snapdragon chipset, that's very good, but no need to worry because Mali and other chipset are also supported. Now let's dive into the installation process. Head over to the Winlator download page. You can check description for the direct link on the GitHub page. Scroll down. Here we will get option for Winlator 5. Currently Winlator 5 is the latest version, which is around 81.6 MB. Sometimes this site doesn't load the GitHub page. That's why I suggest you to join our Discord server. I have given the direct link in the description. Just click on Winlator 5.0 APK and immediately it will start downloading the Winlator Emulator. It's a small APK, so it will may take roughly 3 to 4 minutes to complete the download. After downloading the file, install the application. Now let's launch the Winlator. At first we have to give permission so that Winlator can get access to our phone storage. Just click on the allow button. After that it will say unable to find the OBB image file. In the previous version it forced us to download the OBB and install it manually, but Winlator 5.0 has the option to download the OBB. That's a very good feature they added, so we don't need to download the OBB. Just click on the OK button to download the OBB image file. You can see it's downloading the OBB. The file contains the necessary components to run this application. It will take roughly 10 to 15 minutes depending on the internet speed. So I'm first forwarding the video. Pressing the plus icon at the top right corner gives you all these properties to configure the Winlator. Firstly, give the name of the container to identify it. You can set the resolution size under the option of screen resolution. I'm selecting my native screen resolution 1280 x 720, but you can go up to 1080p. If you experience lagging or struggling to boot, come back to the settings option and use the smaller screen size. The next option is graphics driver. Right now graphics driver have few renderers, but the most recommendable is Tiny plus Zinc and Virtual GL. If your device has a Mali GPU, you should use the Virtual GL, and if you are using Snapdragon, use Tiny plus Zinc, which is much better than Virtual GL. Also helps to run high configuration games. The next option is DX wrapper. Here you can select the Wine D33 is for OpenGL and DXVK belongs to the Vulkan. I'm going to use the Wine D3D 8.14, which is the latest version. You can also try other version and see which one gives you better experience. No need to change the audio driver, just leave it as default. Tick on show FPS if you want to see the real-time FPS during gameplay. Here you can set the processor affinity or CPU cores. If your device has octa-core processor, you can select 6. If your device has 6 core, then select 4. You can select all the available cores for the maximum performance. Theme is the new feature that is added in the Winlator 5. You can set light or dark theme, and you can also change the background color. This feature is really cool. The next option is CSMT, which means command stream multi-thread. Just keep it enabled. Under the option of a GPU, there are a few GPU drivers available, but for new and highly required games you can select the GTX 1040, which is a popular GPU for gamers. Video memory actually indicates RAM. You can select RAM up to 4 GB. Winlator has a few more options, but if you don't have proper knowledge, use the default settings. When everything is set up, click on the tick button to create a container. Now click on the three lines at the top left corner, then open input settings. Winlator 5 added lots of new features in the control panel. Let's add a profile, which is actually control pattern. Here you will get control profile like RTS, 12 buttons, virtual gamepad. For this video, I will use virtual gamepad. You can easily customize cursor speed and overlay opacity. Now click on control editor. Here you can easily customize any keys. You can upscale or downscale any keys. You can move and replace the location of keys. You have freedom to add new keys as you need. I want to give the control customization of Winlator 10 on 10. This feature is missing on other emulator like Exagear and Mobox emulator. Now back to the home screen and click on the three dot beside the container, then tap on run. Immediately it will start booting. Congratulations, you have successfully booted the Windows operating system on your Android device with the help of Winlator 5.0 emulator. It looks like we're using Windows 98 version. Another important feature I would like to mention, on the sidebar you have some options such as keyboard, input controls, full screen and task manager. During gameplay you can change and customize controls. Winlator offers virtual touch controls that mirror the PC game controls and giving you a compatible gaming experience. Now let's install games on Winlator emulator. Before we are going to install any games, we need to place the game files inside the download folder in our phone storage, because a download folder acts as a D drive here. Move the game file to the download folder, open the game folder and run the exe file. It will start installing the game like on PC. A shortcut will be created on the desktop. With all preparation complete, it's time to play. I have installed Freedom Fighter on the Winlator emulator because this game is old. It doesn't require high configuration. If you are wondering which games you should download and from where you will get these games, just have a look on the screen. I have made a list so that you can download this game and install them on the Winlator emulator. So guys, now enjoy your favorite PC games on your Android device. It's very important to mention that the performance and the gaming experience you achieve can substantially depend on your device specification. High-end devices likely to run games more smoothly. If you think this video is useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. No more today. See you in the next video. Take care.